this is a Sunday reset before I go to LA. So I want to do a reset because I've been researching people do videos like this, and I never understood why people did these. But after adding calming music and soothing transitions, it all made sense to me that this is a video that people watch because they want to ease their mind and just throw on something that can be background music. So I made you something that can be background music, and I feel like just watching people clean just gives you the sense like, I can do this. I don't know. From watching this, it made me feel like, damn, I really cleaned this apartment and I really enjoy cleaning and I really enjoy watching myself clean. Like, I'm over here like, boy, you cleaning. And as I sit here in this clean apartment, the space just feels way better and bigger. And I don't know, like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, look, okay, yeah, I think it was time. But how am I doing? I'm really doing good. I'm 23. If you guys don't know, my name is Jamion, just Jamion. And I recently moved to Atlanta 6 months ago. I'm doing okay. I like being here, kinda. It's kind of been getting on my nerves lately, but I'm enjoying the views. I recently made the switch last week thinking that I'm going to move to DC next year. So next February, and soon you guys will be seeing content aiming more towards DC. I feel like every year my life has to elevate, and my next move is moving to DC. These paintings have been sitting on my floor for 2 months. And I finally got them up, and I was so proud of myself for putting them up because I used to work in a gallery, and it used to be hard for me to do math to figure out how to make the paintings even in the wall. But I got them up, and I'm excited. And I hope this video shows you guys that I don't even know. I hope it just gave you a sense of comfort and inviting and warmness. But I'm going to do one of these again. I actually like talking to you about that little piece. I feel like a kind of a therapy session, even though it probably didn't make sense. I want you guys to know that I am moving to DC, and I think it's the next step to better my life.